Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I will show you how to find profitable keywords for your Amazon affiliate post on Pinterest. Using the right keywords can drive traffic to your post and increase your affiliate earnings. So now let's get started. First, brainstorm topics related to the products you want to promote. Think about what your target audience might search for on Pinterest. For example, if you're promoting kitchen gadgets, consider topics like easy cooking tips or easy cooking ideas. After that, go to Pinterest and start typing your topics into the search bar. Pinterest will automatically suggest related keywords as you type. Take note of these suggestions. Next, use Pinterest trends to see how popular your keywords are. This tool shows you the search volume for different keywords over time. To further validate your keywords, use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs. Enter your Pinterest keywords to see if they have good search volume and low competition on Google as well. Now, use your chosen keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, and hashtags. Make sure they flow naturally and accurately describe your content. And that's how you find profitable keywords for your Amazon affiliate posts on Pinterest. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.